Revelation 9, when that star falls, that Nibiru star, when that star fall, hell will be raised. The firebird that you see in there, that is one of the punishments of mankind. It's going to multiply to each and every individual that was ever born on this planet. It punishes you right before the planet enters the nemesis sun, which is the lake of fire. That sun there, when Revelation 9 happens, that sun that you're seeing there, that piece of the sun, that's piece of the sun, that will bust, is going to scatter as the brimstones. The brimstones that coming down with fire. Same time the firebird will multiply to each and every individual, and it's going to beat them with fire. It beats you with fire. It's a firebird spirit. It's a spirit bird. The name of the bird is not Amun-Ra. It's called raw fire. Jehovah's raw fire. That's his raw fire. That is the firebird from the X-Men that you all call the female, some female phoenix. It's not female and it's not called phoenix. It's a phoenix bird, but it's not phoenix. It's raw fire is the name of the bird. That bird used to be flesh at one point in time, living on a savage land, until one day villagers gather around that bird and kill him because they're jealous of the bird. It was too big and they couldn't catch the bird, so they seek where the bird be hiding, and they light him a fire, and that's how he turned into a firebird. That's the real story of that firebird. I am from time indefinite, I will know. That firebird there, it can also be used as rapture, for rapture bird. It can heal people also. The fire can heal people without burning or killing them, if he wants to. But the sinners, like y'all know yourselves, I don't have to talk about that anymore. You people know what sin means. When you're breaking the 10 commandments, that's sin. Fornication, all that, sin. It will be burned by the firebird, personally. Each and every individual going to be burnt by the fire right before the planet goes into the lake of fire. The lake of fire is to totally kill the spirit. When that Nibiru star fall, that's when you're going to see the firebird in plain sight. Everyone will see the firebird. He's going to be bringing the nemesis sun up quickly. That firebird can also shoot you with fire, and he could make fire tornadoes and such. There's infinite type of things that he could do with himself. People on this planet be saying hell yeah and hell this and hell that, and everything for them is hell. They really don't know what hell is. The land is going to get soft. All the roads will be soft. The lava will be underneath the road, whilst that fire is beating up people. Even in the bunkers are gonna all melt away, because the lava is coming from underneath of the earth. That firebird is going to be burning human flesh, alien flesh, birds flesh, animals flesh, likewise monsters or beasts or whatever you call it, whatever you got on your planet is going to be burning giant flesh, whales flesh. If all flesh will be burnt, likewise in spirit, their spirit will be burnt also and beaten by the bird. It's a spirit bird, so it could beat spirits. Meanwhile, some of you all will be punished by the locusts that eat magma. That's the